Thank you so much for joining us for another episode. Last time you saw us, we had an awesome journey up the Guadiana River that separates Spain and Portugal. After leaving the Guadiana River, we had an awesome chilled journey as we arrived here and dropped anchor for the night. Today we're setting sail on an approximately 10-hour journey as we arrive in Cadiz. Pretty cool. Very quiet, very calm, very beautiful.
I'm going.
Go on then, I'll get the camera off you when you get up.
Okay.
Thank you. So we are heading to Cadiz today. It was really good anchorage here. It was really calm, good holding, and yeah, pretty good night. I know we've got a 10-hour sail to Cadiz.
Appalachian sunrise hits my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden.
So we are motoring. There is 0 wind today, so we're still motoring long. 3 knots of wind. Bryn is just at the front chilling now. He's not been feeling too good. He was down below for a little bit today and I think that's made him feel sick, so yeah, he's gone up the front to try and cure it. And yeah, just really chilled, like such calm water. Not much going on. We've had to adjust course a few times for some big fishing boats, but that's it really. It's going to be a very chilled journey hopefully. How you feeling now, buddy?
Lots better.
Better?
Yeah.
What cured you?
Time
Heals all.
Time and not being inside the boat.
Yeah, what were you doing in there?
I was trying to edit some cool like 360 footage, like for sharing on Instagram and stuff. But yeah, I got so far and then I was like, working with 360 footage can give you motion sickness anyway.
Yeah.
Let alone when you're inside a boat rolling around. I feel alright now though.
Good, you look much better now. You look like you were knocking on death's door.
I was close.
We're sailing along beautifully now. We've got like 15, 16 knots of wind.
Perfect sailing.
Yeah, we're doing 5.2 speed over ground. And yeah, we are ahead of schedule. And yeah, it's just stunning. It's hot. It's just nice and easy, isn't it?
Yeah, nice seas, nice wind. Just a relatively easy day.
So 90% of sailing is doing nothing. So when we're making these videos, I'm really sorry if any of them are boring, but that is just how it is.
Yeah.
That's just how it is. There's just nothing going on, is there?
No, I ate some sweets.
Bryn ate some sweets. I've been chilling at the front, and it's just very uneventful, and that's how we want it. That's a good thing. So.
Yeah. Don't necessarily make good videos.
Yeah, it doesn't. I know drama makes good videos, but we're very happy to just not have that drama and just chill.
Yeah.
But yeah, that is literally what it's like. So hopefully you guys get a good picture of what sailing is from these, because this is how it's been for us.
Yeah.
It's a few fishing pots that we're keeping an eye out for, and that's it.
To resist, got me looking like this, like no one before.
our precious cargo overboard.
Back there.
Okay, keep an eye.
I got it.
Hopefully it didn't hold the breath. Okay, we'll do it again. Oh, thank God for that. I was so worried.
So we're not far away now. We're about half an hour from Cadiz. We're just passing through the big ship's anchorage at the minute, hoping it doesn't run us over. We are motorsailing in at the minute to try and give us some speed, pass through the anchorage, and yeah, it's been a really nice, chilled, uneventful journey. Is that it?
Yeah, just how I like them.
Yeah, shot a boogie.
Little dance.
Yeah, nice and chilled. So yeah, hopefully entering the marina is like that too. Let's see. After a smooth entrance into the marina, helped by the awesome staff here, we then did our usual routine of compiling all the paperwork we need to take to the marina office. This usually includes our small ship's register, passports and boat insurance. We have arrived in Cadiz.
Yep, this place looks pretty already.
And it's so warm.
And it's so warm.
So yeah, do you want to sit here for a minute, just really quickly? Not like you've seen enough ocean today, huh?
No.
So yeah, all went well. We got in the marina. They helped us. They're super nice here.
Yep, reasonable prices
reasonable
as well.
price, yeah. It's cost us like 20 euros a night. And we're just here for 2 nights, just to reset and recharge for the next big legs.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're just gonna go and have a little mooch around the town and see what's going on. We're in our glad rags, you know.
Yeah, we've dressed up a little bit today.
We occasionally look okay.
We can do this.
We can do this. So yeah, we'll show you guys around tomorrow when we have a proper look, and speak to you then.
Yep.
See you later.
Boys. We found a decathlon, and the reason why we've had to come in, Jade, is
I broke my sandals. She snapped while I was walking.
she broke the back.
So I've got some more walking sandals.
And 'cause I'm so cool, she's copied my style.
Yeah.
The exact same ones.
Bryn's got a hat, as always.
Got a new hat, and I'm just trying to get some shorts, but I don't think they have any. So yeah, that was a little sidetrack of an update. So, coffee shop done.
Yep.
Lunch done.
Sorted out a SIM card.
Sorted out a SIM card. Done. So we couldn't get our... Okay, I'll explain about the SIM card now we've been to the shop. Basically, we have unlimited data in the UK on both of our phones. But when we're abroad, we actually only get 12 gigs on each of our phones, and we use that pretty quick. So we've been able to get, for 20 euros, 70 gigabytes of data on a Spanish Vodafone SIM card. And we're gonna see how that gets us. This right here is just one of the colleges that they have. Like, they have such beautiful buildings.
So cool.
So yeah, we're just gonna have a little wander and see what we find.
Welcome to my crib. Here's my my light.
It's a good light.
Nice to get a bit of light in here sometimes. Sometimes you get sick of living in a cave. Most of the time it's awesome. You know, don't get bothered too much.
Bloody lens. Oh, it's a bit alright. No, it's fine. It's just that. Oh, I really ought to. I'm gonna.
Unfortunately, the main SD card that we used to record all of the footage here at Cadiz actually got corrupted and we lost almost all of the videos from this beautiful town. It's a shame as we did quite a lot more than what we've included in this video. Here's just a couple of clips of inside the cathedral that we put on Instagram, but apart from this, you'll really just need to go and visit Cadiz yourself to see what it has to offer.
So we had something happen. How long ago? A couple of weeks?
Yeah, we forgot to mention it.
Yeah, basically, me being the oaf that I am, I grabbed hold of the flagpole to try and bring myself in off the back ladder, and I just snapped it. So it's been a job I've been just meaning to do, but I'm actually just going to cut this off, and I'm going to see if I can just like chamfer this end so that it'll fit back in where it was meant to fit in. Yeah, let's just give it a go. I'm just going to give it a go and see.
And that's our ensign.
Oh yeah, this is for our ensign. So there you go. That's the finished, well, not the finished product, but
you can test it.
I'm going to test it. You can kind of see what we've done there. These are like at least £28 or something in the shops, so I'll be really happy that we've saved that. Oh, it's close.
It's close. A tad more.
Yep, just needs a little more.
A touch
sanding.
more.
Want to see?
Let's test it. Oh. Part. Oh, wait. Does it? Does it? Not quite. Yeah. Yes, we're in. Yay! Show me. Woohoo!
We have an ensign that's going to fly off the back.
We're leaving Cadiz in the morning. Hopefully early, but
we can't say for sure because we wasn't able to check out today. We wanted to leave at 7 because we wanted to try and time the Cape. I can't remember what it's called.
Cape Trafalgar.
Cape Trafalgar. We wanted to time that for Slackwater, which is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and we'd have to leave at 7 to time it for that. But if we leave at 9, we ain't gonna get there till 3. But luckily it is Neeps, so you know, slack tide, we could probably get there at 3 and it not be that much of a problem. Hopefully we might be able to just give it to the security and they'll take payment off us, but if not, we'll just wait.
Yeah.
So as we go around this cape, that's pretty much entering the hotspot for orca interactions. So our route that we're going to take is basically going to be as close to the coastline as possible. Most of the interactions are
a bit further out. There is now an exclusion zone, pretty much where we're passing, and we're going to be going on the inside of the exclusion zone. And this is basically where pleasure vessels and tour boats can't pass through the area because it's where the majority of these interactions were happening. So basically, yeah, that's just our plan. We'll avoid that zone, obviously, and just hope that everything runs okay, everything goes smoothly.
Fingers crossed.
We've got some friends ahead of us. Claire and Ollie, I just want to say a big thank you to them as well, because they've helped us a lot, give us lots of information, what to expect, tips and stuff like that. So we'll include their Instagram as well, so you can go check them out and see what they're up to.
I just want to say an absolute massive thank you for everyone that's supported us so far by subscribing, liking, commenting, following us on Instagram, but also massively for the people that have supported us on Buy Me a Coffee. It's really helped out. So I just want to say a huge and massive thank you to all you guys.
Thank you again so much, and until next time, bye.